What's up everyone? I'll be showing you how to make a vacuum engine out of Lego. So you start off with this piece. You can grab one of these, which is a 6x6 and a 2x6, and connect them together if you don't have a 8x6. And then what you want to do is build an outside frame, just one stud around it, and then you place flat tiles and then the flat ramp. And then you grab a 4x1 stud with these 4 ramps and you place it right at the front here. After that, here comes this piece. You want to just copy as like this. The glass panes are optional, and this side is the exact same as the opposite. You do not have to have this wheel if you do not want to, and I am using a 3-wing turbine. And to cover up for this extra space, I placed one of these in this middle. This one goes on top right here. You can come back anytime to review this video if you do not follow. And then you need to get a 2x6, and then you can place a 1x4 tile stud underneath, just at the front. These are completely optional, and then you get one of these 1x4 and place it on there. Just like that. Moving on to the top piece. You can just copy this for the back, which stretches out into this, and the other side is the exact same. For this long piece, I used one of those ones with a end, which you do not need to attach any piece onto, because you lose less air when you do it. And then these 4 wheels can be whatever you want, just as long as it can open this. And for these, I use the ramp because it looks nicer, but you can use whatever you want. And all the flat tiles on the top are optional if you do not have them, but I would recommend placing them. And then this goes right on top, like the last piece of the puzzle. Just click it all around, like that. And you will have it correctly built. If this can spin, this can open, you can see it spin, and this cog on the side can spin, this wheel can spin, and everything is in place. Oh yeah. I'll show you a quick clip of what this sounds like. I'm not too sure about what the RPM is, but roughly from my estimate from the videos I've used as a reference, it is somewhere around 8,500 to 12,000.